My name is Andy with Sandbanks Designs. Stay tuned to learn how to install drawer liners quick and easy. Let's get started. I decided to install drawer liners to cover up some of these stains and give it a clean finish. I picked up this self-adhesive liner from Amazon. I decided to go with the floral pattern as this best matches the dresser. You can choose from a variety of colors and patterns. Installing drawer liners can be tricky. Alright, here's what you don't want to do. A simple but effective solution is to create a drawer liner template. I line the bottom with several sheets of 8.5 by 11 paper and then tape all of the edges. Next, lay out your drawer liner on a flat surface and place your template on top. Using a straight edge and X-Acto knife, trim the edges. Peel the back of the drawer liner and carefully line it up with the bottom of the drawer. Now let's take a look at the before and after. I was quite impressed with how these liners turned out. Thanks again for watching, and let me know what you think in the comments below. And if you'd like to see more, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.